Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. The AWS CLI requires Python, so you will need to install it with next command. Now download the latest version from the official website. After downloading the zip file, you need to unzip it. Use the following command. Once the files are extracted, run the installation script with the next command. To confirm that AWS CLI was installed successfully, run the next command. After installation, you need to configure it. Run the following command. You will be prompted to enter the following details. Here you need to enter your chess key, next enter your secret chess key, enter your preferable region and specify the output file format. After installation and verifying, you can clean up by removing that zip file. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.